Okay, guys, today I am very excited because I am going to be unboxing the Medusa's Makeup August 2019 box. And the reason why this is so exciting is because this is the birthday celebration box. So this is supposed to have some extra stuff in it and some really exciting stuff, and let's see what's inside. Medusa's Makeup is cruelty-free and vegan. And the subscription box is $16.95, $16.90 something every month. And you get full-size products, either 4 to 5 full-size products. Okay, now, everything's wrapped in this little pink tissue. So cute. And the first thing, okay, looks like some of our little extras here are stickers. So that's cute. I do put my stickers on my extra palettes that you put loose pigments in, the magnetic palettes. So I could probably put some of these on there, although it is getting pretty full. This tells you what's in it, which I'm going to put aside and use later because I don't want to take a look and ruin any surprises. Same with this, I believe has some of the stuff. Okay, so the first thing we have in here is this raw organic facial wipe with pomegranate and aloe vera. So that's cool. There's one in there to try. Oh, this is really cute. Look at this key ring. It looks like it says Escape the Ordinary 304. Medusa's Makeup. So this is like key rings, you know, that they would have for motels and stuff. It's cute. Okay, so what else is in here? So the first thing is this Sweet Cheeks Double Dare Blush. Unfortunately, mine is a little bit broken, so I don't want to open it, but I will open it a little bit. It's powdery and soft, and it's real like hot pink. Oh my gosh, no! Wow, okay. I'm gonna put a little bit on. I've never had a blush that had that much pigment, nor have I ever had a blush that was a super hot pink. So I'm actually gonna try this. Oh, okay. It's not that bad. It super shows up, and it's obviously buildable because I just built it a little bit too much. I'm just gonna try it like real soft right there. That looks nice. That is too much. So it's buildable, obviously. And it looks really nice if you don't go overboard, unless you are trying to do a super colorful look for some reason, then this will work for that. But you can also do like a real subtle. Yeah, obviously it's really easily buildable because I just built that side up as well. So interesting. Let's see if I can let's see if it's blendable. Yeah, it's blendable. Wow. I already had blush on underneath, so this might look a little crazy, but it seems to be blendable. I have too much going on this side of my face, obviously, right now, but that's okay. It's just you and me. Okay, the next thing I have is this liquid eyeshadow in Audrey. I'm getting that blush everywhere because I got it all over my hands. It is very pigmented, that blush. I wonder actually if it would make a good eyeshadow as well. If you want like a hot candy pink eyeshadow. They are very pretty on the lid. You just have to remember to put it on top at the end when you're done, and don't try to mix it with the powder or don't put the powder on after, put the liquid on at the end after the powder. Or I suppose you can mix it with other liquid eyeshadow as well. Okay, so the next thing we have in here is glitter, Mystique. This is blue shimmery, light blue shimmery glitter. That is very, very pretty. And the very last thing, oh, this is so pretty. It's this brush. So it says Medusa's Makeup right here. So I can use this in the future with that blush, and I think that would be a nice pair. So that is everything in the box. So that was 4 full-size items, a keychain, and some stickers. So I wasn't expecting these as sort of the special items, but they are very cute. They're very cute, and I will use them. And this was such a cute idea to have this Sweet Cheeks sort of birthday cakey looking blush. And unfortunately mine broke, but I can still use it. It didn't break all apart, just one side of it broke and got powder all along it. So unfortunately, it is a shimmery. I'll show you the swatch. So it does have sparkle in it. So it is really pretty, and I really enjoy Medusa's makeup. I like that they're vegan and cruelty free, and I like that it's such a good deal for all these products. I like everything. I use everything that they've sent so far. So if you like these unboxing videos, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.